We finna eat us a motherfucking $40 meal. Okay?
Just $40 for the oxtails.
Yeah, just $40 for the oxtail.
You ain't even add on rice or whatever you
My YouTube fam, today what we having today is some homemade mashed potatoes. I'm gonna show you how I make my homemade mashed potatoes. So first of all, you gotta peel the potatoes and put your little salt in there, right? And we're gonna close the lid. Let's turn over to the $40 oxtails I got over here from Sam's Club. So now what we're gonna do is not the traditional way, but my way, you guys. So we got us some seasoning, right? We got a little paprika, we got a little Lowry seasoning salt. You follow me, you guys. Garlic, onion. That's a little my secret ingredients. I don't even want to tell y'all. Okay, it's steak seasoning. But anyway, we got a mix of black pepper and all of that. And what I'm gonna do is just sprinkle this all over this. Yes, we're gonna get it right on in here. Just like that. Now, with your oxtails, you don't always have to brown them. You can put them in the oven and just let them go for a couple of hours, like 3-4 hours. And baby, you got you some delicious oxtails, right? Now, whether or not you like gravy or not, that always is optional. But let's just go ahead and season this on up, right? Now, we're gonna top it with some garlic, right? We got some minced garlic. I'm just trying to get rid of it. It's mixed with a little olive oil, right? Because it's gonna bring out that flavor as well. And we're gonna see you guys when I go to the next step. So make sure you like, comment, and share. And if you're not part of the fam, what are you waiting on? Come learn the old way of cooking versus our new way. So let's go ahead and mix this on up. Just like so. Mix it on up. Get the flavors to mingling. No season left behind, right? You just want to get it all in there. All in there. And baby, my mouth is already watering, as you can tell. They even give you the littlest tail. That's crazy. But anywho, we're gonna put this over in the pan. We got an aluminum pan right here. We're gonna just go ahead and stuff it, right? We ain't gonna put the little ones at the bottom. My hands are rinsed. Cause now I wanna take all of this goodness out of this pan, just like that. We're gonna take all of the goodness out of the pan, cause like I say, no season left behind. So there we go, just like that. Okay. Our next step is right, or you could use water. It doesn't matter, cause it's gonna make its own seasoning, right? Now, if you don't have meat tenderizer, just remember, you can always put, is it Worcestershire sauce? I also use soy sauce before I make my gravy, but you can always use that because that as well is a tenderizer, right? Many people don't know it, but yeah, this is a tenderizer. Many people don't know it. They just think it's something. As soon as I get it open. Okay. I was finna open up the bottle. Right? Put that on in here. Just like that. It's not gonna hurt nothing. And I'm just gonna put a little soy sauce in here. You know what? I'm about sick of these bottles. Y'all give me a minute. Take a minute. All right. And that's it. Now we're going to cover this and we're going to put it in the oven for approximately 3 to 4 hours. And then we're going to see where it's at that point. Yeah, she wears that. So I'll see you guys when it's just about gravy time. Bye. Y'all, I forgot the camera wasn't on. But anywho, you see the potatoes, right? I put some garlic. I put a little parsley. You can use fresh or, you know, the little package. You know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. Anyway, but yeah, season it up to your liking as far as like garlic, little salt. I use milk. Some people use cream, whipping cream. It's on you. And you'll have you a good pot of mashed potatoes, homemade mashed potatoes, right? So I'm just going to go back in here with my little masher, right? And finish, make sure that I mash it up. I like a little lumps every now and then. It's not going to hurt anything. But anyway, it's going to give you that bite, right? But this one, I did pretty good. And you can also look in the description and I'll show you step by step how to make mashed potatoes from an old video. So yeah, here go you some good creamy mashed potatoes made by the hands of Miss Jones and could be made by the hands of you. So let me go ahead and put this in a nice little bowl or, you know, serving dish, and I'll be right back. Oops. Let's get that over in here. Now I use 5 potatoes, medium to large potatoes, and this will serve maybe 6, 7 people. I don't know, 6, 7 people. I don't. I like for it to look nice, whether you're serving it with just your immediate family or just cooking, you know, period. I just like for it to look nice. Okay, we're gonna leave that alone. Let me get this scoop up. Oh, it don't want to scoop. Okay. But anyhow, look, I'm just trying to smooth it out. Okay, let's put some butter. I'm gonna leave that like that. Looking for my black pepper. I don't see the black pepper. Now you could use white pepper, but I don't have any. I'm just gonna put a little black pepper around here. I hate when my hands are wet. Okay, we're just gonna use a little of that. And again, a little of table salt. I normally don't cook with table salt, but since I'm showing you guys this, I want you guys to understand that is optional. And we're gonna use a little Parmesan, right? You could use fresh, but I don't. Just like that. A little more parsley. And that is it, you guys. We're going to cover this up and wait for our oxtails. Okay, fam. So we're back, and this is the last of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. I'm showing you easy, affordable recipes that you can enjoy with your family. So let's check for the tenderness, right? Now look at here. Okay, this is our oxtail. Can you get a good picture of it? It's good and hot, right? Now, let's pull it right on out of there, right? You cannot beat that. That is tender. That is definitely tender, right? So, enjoy this recipe with mashed potatoes, with rice, even macaroni and cheese. Make it a southern meal. Well, that's what we have here. We have some delicious comfort food, which is known for a southern meal. So, I'm finna get ready to get out of here, you guys. Like, comment, and share once again. And don't forget, hype me up, okay? Don't be a hater, okay? Hype me up. Your girl is coming back with another video that you can enjoy. Tell me your thoughts on lamb. Should that be the next video? Until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.